Start. While considering the said prayers, the High Court issued 9 directions in the penultimate paragraph of the judgment dated 28 2019. The appellants are aggrieved by direction number 3 issued by the High Court, which is extracted below. Under the rules 2000, no permission for DJ shall be granted by the authority for the reason that noise generated by DJ is unpleasant and obnoxious level, even if they are operated at the minimum level of the sound. It is beyond permissible limits under the scheduled of the rules 2000. A DJ is made up of several amplifiers and joint sound emitted by them is more than 1000 dB. They are serious threat to human health, particularly children, senior citizens, and patients admitted in the hospitals. The submission of the learned counsel for the appellants is that in the entire writ petition there were neither any pleadings with regard to the noise generated by the DJ being unpleasant and of obnoxious level, nor there was any such prayer made in the writ petition. The relief granted by the High Court with regard to the removal of LCD from the particular area in question, which was a separate issue, and appellants have no grievance regarding the same. The appellants are only aggrieved by the direction number 3 issued in relation to a matter which was not an issue before the High Court. The contention of the learned counsel for the appellants is that they have a right to play music in public places only after obtaining license from the district authority under the relevant noise pollution regulation and control rules 2000. It is contended that by imposing such restrictions as contained in the aforesaid direction number 3 issued by the High Court, the livelihood of the appellants is affected and hit by Article 19(1)(g) of the Constitution of India. Per contra, learned counsel for the private respondents number 1 and 2, writ petitioners before the High Court, has submitted that though there was no such prayer with regard to the playing of music DJ in public place, and the writ petition was limited only to playing of LCD in the particular area, yet such directions could have been issued under Article 226 of the Constitution of India by expanding the scope of the writ petition. Ms. Garima Prasad, learned additional advocate general, appearing for the state of Uttar Pradesh, and Ms. Harshita Raghuvanshi, learned counsel appearing for the Allahabad Development Authority, have submitted that they are duty bound to comply with the directions issued by the High Court, and in compliance of the aforesaid direction number 3, the state government as well as the Allahabad Development Authority are not permitting the parties to play DJ except in those cases where the stay order has been granted by this court, and the parties have obtained necessary permission. Having heard learned counsel for the parties and considering the facts of this case, we are of the clear opinion that since there were neither pleadings nor any prayer with regard to the playing of music or DJ in public place, the direction number 3 of the High Court as quoted herein above with regard to the noise generated by DJ and restriction on playing music cannot be justified in law. Full stop.